Imagine using your right hand. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
the video, the recording has started.
Oh,
Really?
Hey guys, it's Sarcastic CJ, and today we are on Minecraft. Wow, what a surprise! I thought I did not upload Minecraft anymore, right, guys? The videos we are not doing a build battle, we are doing a.
I don't know. Map battle.
Map battle?
Yes! The timer is 5 minutes each, so I think we should start it. Let me just set the timer first. Uh, you
Minutes?
know what, agent? You click
Yes.
the button first. You are orange, by the way.
Alright.
What did you
I
get?
got Ukraine.
Okay, so we'll remember that. And let's go to our areas. Three, three, two, one, go. Okay.
Yeah. I forgot what it looked like, but okay.
You guys are
Oh
Ukraine.
no.
idiots.
Wait.
Uh,
Carpet.
uh,
Hmm.
hmm.
This. Then this.
We have 3 minutes.
Oh,
3 minutes already.
oh no, I made a hole in the wall.
Uh, grass. No, not
Hey,
there.
do you think that there might be a hole in your wall?
What?
It's not. I don't have a hole.
What is this?
Do not question it.
Okay, I won. I have
Okay.
made a piece of art.
Are
I
you
need
an
to
Ukraine
artist?
like
change my.
millions of artists.
Wait, you're an artist? Hold up.
Uh,
What, you're an
Yeah.
artist.
uh,
I know some artists.
uh,
I know a failed artist. Do you know a failed artist?
Damn boy!
You know a failed artist.
Mm, what?
The map actually does look like Ukraine. Like somewhat. It does.
Cylinder. Oh no. Wait, what is it? What should I do again? One.
Oh no. I made.
Okay,
No,
that's time. That's time. Stop
Wait,
it.
wait,
Stop.
wait,
Stop.
wait.
Stop.
This is
Stop.
so
No.
good.
No.
Wait,
No.
wait,
No.
wait,
This
Anyone.
is so good.
Anyone. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up.
Okay,
Get up.
okay.
Get up. Where is agent? Agent, come up. Come up. Come up. Come up. Come up.
You all use
Okay.
colors and stuff.
Okay.
You all use colors
Oh
and
my.
stuff.
And at the end of
Sign?
each build, we'll rate it. Okay. So first, let's
Give me a
check.
sign.
Let's check zodiacs. Okay.
Place a sign. Place a sign. Place a sign. I'll just take
Is
it.
this supposed to be Ukraine?
Yes. I am so good. I know.
You have to give score out of 10.
I'm gonna.
You can't give it in negatives.
It's 10. 10.
No, you have to give the score. Wait, actually, that's a good idea. You give the score here. Uh, 1 Ukraine. Now I'm giving you my score.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy.
Wait, which side am I supposed to look at it from?
It's from this side. This side.
This
and-
side.
Oh yeah, this. Yeah.
Dude, this guy. I'm actually. What the hell? Why you gave him 10?
Okay. I understand.
So I think I know my score. Yeah, let's give him here.
10.
Lag, yeah.
See, what are you gonna give me? I expect tens. That is a piece of art. Yes! You're the best. Fair enough. Okay.
Uh,
Yeah.
now I think mine actually looks like the country.
Yes, it looks pretty close, I guess.
It looks way too close to the country.
It'll be good like as a 9, I guess. Yeah, 9
This
would
is
be
a
good.
10. No. A 10.
8.5. Okay. 9.5. Okay. So by that points, Zodiac gets third. Yay!
Zodiac wins?
No.
Yes, I won.
Agent gets second, and
You
I
got
get first. Let's go. What a surprise! The country.
Okay, who clicks the button?
You can't spell it.
Wait. Oh, he already got the country.
I
What
want
country?
It's Turkey.
3, 2, 1, go!
If that actually works, it'll be so good.
Okay, there we go. Let's start from here.
Just make random.
I hope I
What?
get this accurately. I think I am supposed to win these challenges. What?
Yes, I'm done.
Everyone come up, nobody's going to look anywhere. And where's the agent? Hey, agent,
Here.
stop cheating, would ya? Okay. Wait a second. So last time we saw Zodiac first, now we'll see agent first.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's my score.
Yes! Let's go. 8 pretty good. Is 8 pretty good considered 8.5?
No, 8. It's 8.
Oh.
Now, in clockwise direction, it's 9. Okay. Okay, I'm already getting a 9. I know.
It looks like a C plus.
I'm already done
Like
right.
when, yeah, it looks like a C plus.
Wait, how did you do the star? He did a square. Come on.
Yes, his looks
Yeah,
much
it's like-
realistic.
9 points.
Because
don't
you didn't
think-
feel.
Oh, fair enough. Now we have.
Mine is insane. Look at this. I even have.
5.
Oh. Okay.
Still, you
come-
get gold, you get emerald, and I get netherite.
Wait. Come to my house.
Okay,
You need to
no.
say its final goodbyes.
Do better, 8.5.
You need to say its final goodbyes.
Wait, can I blow it up with TNT?
Oh,
Yes! Hmm.
The roof. Such a high quality engineering. The roof is still intact.
is it? But to the third one, okay? Now it's time. Oh, I am the one clicking the button.
Boatman.
Where's.
Okay, here I am. Sorry.
3, 2, 1. Okay, let's see. I am supposed to read it. Read it. It is. Oh!
What is Monaco?
It's Monaco!
What?
I told you I had a toxic one.
How am I supposed to know how Monaco looks like?
5 minutes. Easily. So
I need to make some foundation for my
3,
building.
2, 1. Oh no. 3, 2, 1.
We always
Go! Whatever. But you know what? This time I'm going to use concrete instead of wood.
This is so annoying.
Where's white? White. Okay. So it was. I think I got it right. I think I might have missed. Oh no! Guys, it's time.
No.
Do not make a lot. So everyone take your signs. So we did Zodiac first in the first one, Agent first in the second one, and now let's do first.
Wait, so me first, right?
No,
I
it's
already
me
have a
first.
rating for yours.
Okay. This is okay. I don't know it. I made some random.
Like, okay, it's 9.99 plus 5, which is 14.99. Can we sum up that to 10? Sorry, 15, please.
Yes,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
But
Okay, now let's go to the. Oh, we don't have a first player. Let's go to. I gave you one just because the date. What the?
Now, this is the flag
why are
of
there carpets?
Monaco.
He at least put the flag.
I don't know the flag.
He at least you don't know.
Yes.
So
I have a question. If I type slash kick at A, will I even kick myself?
yes.
One,
So Zodiac got a total of 3 points.
Oh my god.
Wow. Then at second place is Asian Gamer. Underscore Asian Gamer. Underscore Asian Gamer underscore. Whoa. He has
Yes, 7 points.
7 points. And first is me. What a surprise! Okay, guys. It's me with 10 points. Well, I hope you like the video, and we'll see you in another one.
Cool CJ 1410, cool CJ 1410, cool CJ, cool CJ.